Throw 'em all in the wood chipper, cause that's what Preds deserve. Throw 'em all in the wood chipper, cause that's what Preds deserve. Throw 'em all in the wood chipper, cause that's what Preds deserve. They're trying to change the language to suit their evil. Throw 'em all in the wood chipper. These disgusting pricks will never give up, so I gotta put a bullet in them. These Preds are trying to kidnap our kids into slaves and ruin them. Throw 'em all in the wood chipper, cause that's what Preds deserve. Throw 'em all in the wood chipper, cause that's what Preds deserve. Our kids are in danger because they are a target. These genetic deficient scum are trying to enslave them and ruin them. Degenerate scum will always get karma. Throw them all in the wood chipper because they deserve it. Throw every single Pred in the wood chipper, because that's how they'll know pain unless they experience it until death. Throw them all in the wood chipper!